Hello.
Hi. Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome
Welcome
back.
back.
We're doing a reaction video tonight, and a lot of requests that we have accommodated, and a lot of suggestions from this guys introducing me to things that they like to listen or they've been observing. You haven't suggested anything yet. You.
No, but this
What did I suggest?
Well, all of you guys suggested from the
I was part of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was part of that.
Which
You were
one?
part of it?
Yeah, we
I was like,
we'll
yeah,
claim
you
it.
should do that. Yeah.
Introducing K-pop to me. That felt like ages ago. Now I'm going to actually share with you guys when I was a teenager. This is like the boy band that I went crazy for.
Menudo?
Yes. So so I thought I'd give you a glimpse on them and see for myself if it was really worth what I was doing at that time. I'd probably cringe now if I see them, but yeah, at that time I was so crazy about
You
them.
met one of the members, right?
We have multiple members actually.
Wow.
But anyway, before we go into that, let's
Successful fangirl.
let's go watch them.
Let's do it.
That's the way.
They were actually invited to Tokyo Music Festival.
Wow.
So this is their participation video, I guess. Ooh, slide.
The right one looks like Elsa.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that editing. All are hot.
Look at that.
This
No, this was just recorded in 2000.
This is something Enrique Iglesias.
No, this is
Wait, then who was the one that was like
Ricky Martin.
Ricky Martin.
Yeah.
Because it is.
Can you find out where it is?
Is it that guy right there?
Yeah. He's the youngest at that time.
Wait, these people are Filipino.
No, they're Puerto Ricans.
Oh.
So they were also having a hard time speaking English.
Wait, so I can find out about them?
How did I find out about them?
No, Japanese.
Yeah, they were in Tokyo Music Festival.
Can you read it out there?
No. I should learn it.
Alright.
Yeah, since we're kind of fascinated with Japan, so I thought I'd share this.
Wait, are those people Japanese? 'Cause
Yeah.
They don't look Japanese.
They're Japanese. This is in
I can't tell.
This is
They
in
look
Tokyo.
European.
So they invited different artists from different countries. Oh my god, this is so
Was this your favorite song?
one of the it's called Explosion. But it's in English, it's not Spanish. Look at that choreography.
What, they're still in sync? Walking back and forth.
You recognize these dancers?
Yeah.
You memorize them?
Who's your favorite member?
Him, Robbie Rosa.
Did you meet him?
No.
What? Failed.
I'll tell you about it. Explosions like that. Look at Ricky Martin.
Wow. You're so cute.
Woo!
How you feeling?
Gosh.
Throwback. You feel nostalgic?
Yeah.
What made you stop liking him?
Many factors. Got that slow motion stuff going through.
It's a bop. I like it.
As Ray Reyes, I guess I remember the names, I guess. Ricky Martin, of course. Oh, there you go.
Step, touch.
Legs, oh my god.
Yeah. they used to wear all this tight pants. You are the lightning, the something that strikes me or something. Oh, you are the thunder, the lightning that strikes me.
Where do you say that?
That's what it says in the lyrics.
I'm just hearing it explode.
That's what you do.
Wait, I don't get it.
Oh my god, if they like revamped the song, it would have been like.
Yeah, they can bring it back.
Like I had like sparklers every time you sing.
Yeah. I love you, Robbie Rosa.
What era is this?
80s, yes.
Wow. Yeah, they could totally bring this back.
They won.
This is so sad.
I don't know what they want, but it sounds like, actually, if I remember, every participant won something. It's like, it's not really a competition. It's more like a showcase of talents from all over the world. Arigatou gozaimasu!
What does that mean?
Oh my gosh, there's so many I'd like to show you. Oh, there they are.
What are all these photos?
Those photos were nice.
These are fan photos. That's great.
Well, it wasn't the best quality. It wasn't the best quality, obviously, but I think they could still do good today. Okay, here's a little odd about this group, right? So this was, of course, other than they're Puerto Rican, they were formed by recruiting through auditions, I think. But they have to be at a certain age level. So I think starting from 10 or 11 years old. And then once you reach the age of
You're out.
16, they replace you.
You're out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for me, I started liking them with this group, with Ray, Charlie, Robbie, Ricky, and Roy. Hey, I still remember the names.
Wow.
So that was my batch, basically. So once they started replacing your favorites, you start.
Oh, that's kind of sad.
Yeah.
It's not the same.
So it's not the same. So you start following them on their solo ventures, and then of course they start doing more daring things and stuff like that. So he actually became pretty big on his own right. So I think a lot of them became successful on their own rights too. Everybody knows what happens to Ricky Martin. I think he became the biggest in the English-speaking audience. Ricky Martin Livin the Vida, Loca.
Oh.
He became really big and he grew taller than he was then.
Did they sing anything else?
Huh?
Not say anything else? Probably?
I don't know all the titles, but he also did something with Christina Aguilera, and that was the time when there was more awareness of Latin music, transitioning to English audience.
So this is like early 2000s?
Yeah. Oh, no, actually 90s. Late 90s. Then that's when Enrique Iglesias and Jennifer Lopez came to the picture. So he became big at that time. But Livin La Vida Loca was actually composed by Robbie Rosa.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
What a talent.
So they're like, they actually keep working together.
Why didn't he sing it?
Ricky was more packaged into that. And also Ricky was doing soap in South America, so he became bigger than Robbie.
He made soap.
Yeah. Soap opera.
Oh.
Soap.
Actual soap.
Robbie also was making his own albums, a lot of them for Spanish audiences though. So I actually follow him on Twitter. I don't know why he changed his name. He didn't like his name. He's now Draco Rosa.
Draco Malfoy.
Draco. So I don't know why, but
Let's change.
for me, he's always Robbie Rosa. I've had the posters with all 5 of them wearing that bandana like that.
Wow. Did you like buy it?
What a fan.
Yeah.
Invest your own
I
money in that?
I actually went on the University Belt area just to look for the best posters that I could get.
Wow.
Yeah, but the guy that replaced him, I think it was Ruben Gomez. And then there's other guys that replaced the other members, Sergio. I actually still follow them. They're the group that I actually met, and
Is that where you also met Leah?
then yeah. So they started working with Leia Salonga, and then that's how I met them with Ray Acevedo and all the rest. So unfortunately, not with Robbie Rosa.
That's big sad.
Yeah,
At least you got to meet the other members.
yeah. So I watched Robbie's first or debut movie. Yeah, Ricky Martin. I have a picture with Ricky.
Wow.
Yeah. So, and also with Jenny. Remember Jenny, my friend in London?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We had that picture together with
Oh wow.
Yeah. So anyway, that was my teenage craze idols. What do you call it?
Yeah,
And
girl.
so I can relate to fangirling with boy bands. Been there, done that.
But if you like this video, please give it a like and comment down below.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Alright.
My legs are dying.